Hi, Happy New Year. So I know several of my friends partied really hard on New Year's Eve, as you should. It's a new year, but I have a little Parker's Hangover Tonic, Caesar and Bloody Mary mix to cure that. I want to say thank you to all of our viewers for being with us. We've been doing this for a year and a half and we're in 2022. So thanks for being here. We are going to feature Parker's Hangover Tonic. Mom and Dad brought this. They went to, are you ready for this? Country Christmas. Huge festival, not festival, convention in Vegas. I mean, who doesn't, everything done in Vegas is big and big and big. Country Christmas is no exception. So they brought this home and Dad was like, have you tried this? It's so good. Wesley's running my camera for me. Thank you, Wesley. All good. So we're gonna try this. Now, as I do, sometimes I'm super prepared and sometimes we fly by the seat of our pants. Today's one of those fly by the seat of our pants days. The recipe calls for tomato juice. And I thought, oh, I have it, no problem. This is tomato sauce. So you're gonna roll with me on this one. We're gonna turn the sauce into tomato juice. I looked it up, I did do that. To make tomato juice out of tomato sauce, it's equal parts of tomato sauce and water. So we're gonna do that. And then, this doesn't call for it, but I kind of thought it'd be fun to have a little garnish, because who doesn't order a Bloody Mary somewhere and get something on the garnish? So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna mix right into the glass that I'm serving in. So it is super easy and not super boozy. So we're gonna do, actually let's add a little ice to start. The recipe is in the description below, but it is 1 shot of vodka, right here, shot of vodka, a shot of our Bloody Mary and Caesar tonic mix, Hangover tonic mix. We're gonna add that in there. This smells amazing. I licked the lid when I first opened it. It's got a little bit of a kick, little zing to it, and it's delicious. Okay, so here is our, I'm gonna look at this because we're not, where's my house, right? It works. Okay, so let's pop open our tomato sauce to turn into tomato juice. Okay, so I'm just gonna crack it open. We're gonna do a half, since we need 1, there we go. Ooh, that's thick. Since we need 1 shot of tomato juice, we're gonna do half a shot. Looks like ketchup going in. It's not ketchup. It looks like ketchup. And a half shot of water. There we go. Now, you could totally do lemon or lime with this. We're gonna do it as is. And I'm gonna grab my bar spoon. Christmas card fell off. I'm gonna grab my bar spoon because that's the proper thing to do. And then I'm gonna add some more ice in here. I think if you were to order this at a restaurant, the glass would be filled with ice. Okay, maybe a little too much ice, but that's okay. And then let's top it with an olive. Garnish it with an olive. Okay, that's probably too much ice, but let's get rid of it. Well, I'm gonna stick a straw in it, it's okay. How's that? That looks pretty. Look at that. Okay, let's taste. I'm excited. Oh, that's yummy. That's really yummy. Hold on, now I need some olive with it. It has a little zing to it. Ooh, with the olive, that's tasty. You could make a full meal out of this.